Hello, Jefferson.
Hello, good
How
morning.
are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm very good, very good. So, Jefferson, tell me a little bit about you.
Okay, my name is Jefferson. I'm from Brazil
Hmm.
and I am 20 years old. I'm
Hmm.
almost 21 in a
Hmm.
few days.
Oh,
Uh,
congratulations.
Thanks. I'm from the northeast of Brazil, uh, states of Bahia. I don't know
Hmm.
if you heard about it.
Yes, I
I
know
live in a
Bahia.
small town. Yeah, it's a beautiful state. I'm
Yes.
from a little city, small town actually,
Hmm.
called Ipirá.
Hmm.
Um, and I am studying economics at college.
Hmm. Okay, very good. And how big is your family?
Uh, I have, uh, can you repeat the question, please?
Yeah, tell me a little bit about your family, your brothers, your sisters, your father, your mother.
Okay, yeah, I have one brother. He is studying to be a doctor, to be dentist. I think
Hmm.
it is the word.
Hmm.
Uh, and my father and my mother lives. Actually, I live with them, with my
Hmm.
father and my mother because of the pandemic.
Hmm.
Uh, I and my brother
My brother and
were
I,
the
sempre. My brother and I.
yeah yeah.
Uh-huh.
Uh, we are the only the family who have the opportunity to go to college. My
Hmm.
mother and my father doesn't have this opportunity,
Didn't have.
so I
Didn't
think it
have.
is
Didn't have.
didn't have. Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
didn't have.
I'm sorry,
Very
it's the
good. Very
past.
good. Yes. Well, I have to correct you because then you know the thing. So you know where you're making
Yes,
mistakes, right?
it's
Okay.
good.
Yes. And what kind of class are you looking for at Cambly? What kind of class?
Well, I will on Cambly about 3
I
months
am.
ago.
Oh,
I
so you started Cambly three
I
months
am
ago.
Yes, I wrote this course, English in Brazil, that you are
Mm-hmm.
seeing and the slides. And with this course, I received 3 months here on Cambly. I proposal of the course to be speaking with people who live in other countries, who was born in English countries.
Mm-hmm.
But today is the day of this plan, but I will
Mm.
renew to another one.
Mm-hmm.
But the
Okay.
proposal of this course is just this:
Mm-hmm.
engage the student to speak about some things. But in the classes, I read some articles on Angle platform, and I put to the teachers, and I read to the teachers. They correct me in my pronunciation and something like that.
Okay, very good. So you read to the
But
teachers.
specific plan I don't have.
Okay, okay. Well, I'm going to because I'm Brazilian as well, and I do live in
Oh,
Brazil. I do live in Brazil. I'm Canadian and Brazilian
interesting.
at the same time. So I learned English first, then I had to learn Portuguese. So when I came here, it was terrible Portuguese. It was il sabo, uh, everything incorrect. But now my Portuguese is good. It's no problem. But before it was terrible. It was terrible. But because I'm Brazilian, I want to check some things of your accent because mostly the gringos don't do that because oh it's just their accent and everything. So I'm gonna take this time because we talked already 5 minutes. We only have 10 minutes. I want to check and maybe give you some tips to while you were speaking, certain things were unclear because of the accent. So I want to check a little bit like this word. Can you say that for me?
Word.
Yeah. And
Word.
so, can you say that for me?
I see this tip once before.
Mm-hmm.
Werewolf.
Were, no, I where. A were.
Aware for the places, right?
Yeah, where is for the
Where are you
place. So
going?
just say were. We
Yeah.
were.
World.
Aye, there you go.
We
Very
were.
good. Yeah, so it's a we're
Yeah. It's a
old.
little
We
trick.
were. Uh-huh. We're old. Okay, very
We
good.
were.
We're old. Not we were. But that we
World.
were actually were que eu quero, né? Not the we, just the were. We're old. You see? We're old. And then you pronounce it
Yeah.
correct. Okay.
World.
Now, I want to check another one. All right. Can you say that for me?
I want to tell two burgers too.
Ok. A única palavra que é
Yes.
chew é essa aqui. This is chew. Okay. Now I'm going to
And
rewrite
then
it.
two.
I want.
Yeah. It's a little
uh,
trick.
okay. Say this for me now.
I want to tell Jesus Christ. I want to tell two burgers too.
Yeah, but it's not chew. It's two. Okay.
Two. Two.
Uh huh.
Okay.
Okay. So I want
I want to tell two burgers too. Eee.
two burgers too. Yeah.
Two burgers too.
So number two is not chew. It's two.
Two.
Também is two. And also
Two.
to go. So it's not
Ah.
today, tomorrow, together. It's today, tomorrow, together. You see the difference?
Yeah, I can see the difference.
Uh huh.
Interesting.
Okay. All right. So this makes your English immediately sound better. Mhm. So the
Yeah.
only things that I heard on your uh, accent is your R because you forget that you have to be like a Paulista, caipira, word, and then you say well, and it comes that nordestino on it. So
Yes.
remember that the R, you know that. I mean, I'm sure the teachers already told you that, so you know that. So be careful with the R and this too. This too is not your problem. It's all Brazilians' problem. Okay,
Yeah.
because they learn it wrong in school and it stays like that. Okay, from the teachers and everything. And also we say leite quente, gente. Yeah. And you have to remember that a T is a T in English and a CH is the ch. Okay. So if you can remember that the CH is a ch, like watch. Okay. Watch. And then it's not going to be today, tomorrow, together. It's today, tomorrow, together. The gringo will say tomorrow, today, together. But if you can just remember that two is a two, you're fine. Okay. Even the number two, you cannot say chew. Okay. So when we speak, whenever we speak, I'm always going to be on top of this two to change it. You know your R, so I'm not going to focus on that, because that's your accent. This I don't accept as an accent because we have two in our language.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I don't know why we say chew.
Yeah. It's a
Yeah.
little difficult.
Yeah, so it doesn't matter what we speak. I'm always going to be focused. You say chew, then I say what, and then I'm talking about the two. You go back and change it. Okay,
Yeah.
so it doesn't matter what we talk. I want to change this to with you. Yeah, not that shh. Take that shh out. Another word. This is not an accent, but it's just I'm going to check with you if you have this. It's very difficult for Brazilians. Can you say that in Portuguese?
Sim, soma serviço.
Very good. Can you say it like Lula?
Lula,
Lula, Inácio Lula da
uh,
Silva.
the former president. Yeah.
Yeah. Can you say it like him?
No, it's like him.
Yeah. He would say, "Thing toma serviço."
Ah, I know. I can't do this.
You cannot do "Thing
No,
toma
it's a little
serviço."
difficult.
Try
Yeah.
to say it like Lula.
Uh, mm, Let me think. He used very
É língua presa.
frequently. Yeah, he say meus companheiros, something
Yeah.
like that. But
Yeah.
ele tem a língua presa, é verdade.
Yeah. So if se você conseguir, if you can try to do the the S like Lula, that's the TH in English.
Oh,
So if you can write like try to say thing thoma serviço like Lula, yeah. I know it's ridiculous, but if you can do that, you can tell your brain that it's okay because your brain doesn't let you do that because it's ugly to talk like that, right?
yeah,
So your brain just doesn't let you do that. And then, but if you practice
that's right.
like 20 words, like sucessor, then yeah, sucessor, serviço, sucessor.
It's very
Okay.
difficult.
Yeah, but if you can write 20 words like that and 20 words with TH and pronounce it all like Lula, your TH will be good because you're practicing that muscle that we don't use.
Yeah,
And you're practicing, you're telling your brain that it's okay to talk like that. Your brain will start letting you do that. Yeah.
yeah,
That's why I give this as an exercise rather than change your accent because it's very hard for the Brazilians to do this. But if they can do this exercise, alone in their bedroom when no one's looking, maybe they can get the TH correct, you know?
yeah. It's like tia and tia. Some people
Yes.
say tia, tia. I
Yes.
don't say
Yes.
this.
Yeah. So this is just an exercise I give you if you want to do it. 20
Yeah,
words with S,
it's
Cecilia,
interesting.
and 20 words with TH. It will help you to pronounce rather than saying the car, you will say the car. That's the correct word.
Yeah,
And
the
instead
car.
of that,
Yes,
this, them,
this,
though,
them.
through. You see, it will help you, but I'm not going to force you on this one because it's very difficult. The other
Yeah.
ones, no. The two, you're part of my campaign. If you hear a Brazilian say chew, you say, no, man, it's two. Don't let them say chew. I hate that word. Because if you have 1,000 people in front of me and all Brazilians or they're speaking English, I can point out the Brazilian because of this too. Okay.
Yeah,
Now you have a homework. Go watch a movie. Go watch something, a series, and tell me when the gringo says "chew." You never say "chew."
yes, I never
Always
see.
"two." Yeah. So when you call me, I'm going to be focused on this too. Okay. So it
Yeah,
doesn't matter what class we can do. This class, another class, Ingo, doesn't matter. And I'm going to check the two. So every time that you say chew, I say what? You have to change to two. It's the only thing. I want to work on one accent at a time because if I give you a lot of accents, it's like confuses you. Just one accent, and then you fix that one, go to another one.
it's
Very
interesting.
organized.
Yeah,
Okay,
I
and
want
then
to. I want to.
yeah, one, two, yeah, and then it will change slowly. So the next time we call, you have to remind me that I want to do describing with you because then I'm going to check your grammar. Okay. But you have to
Okay.
remind me because I'm an old man and I have so many students I forget everything. So I want to
I will
do
schedule another
describing.
class. I will.
Yeah.
I will schedule.
And I'm going to check your describing and I'm going to give you techniques to describe things in detail. It's going to help you a little bit. Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much.
All right. I hope you liked the class. I know that this wasn't in the plans, but it was
No,
helpful, I
it's
think,
okay.
for you.
It's very good to be different.
Okay. All
I
right.
want to see you again.
All right. I hope to see you soon. All right. All the
Okay.
best,
Thank
my
you.
friend.
Thank you very much. Have a good
say
day.
say hello to the Bayanas there for me.
Yeah. Oh, right.
Bye bye, man.